Hi guys. Hey, I want to do a video on an old airplane I've had. God, I've had this thing for years and years. The 148 scale Revell monogram Memphis Belle. And this thing, like I said, I've had it forever. But started it a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. and yeah, getting back to it. So the box art is awesome, but most of the parts are actually scattered all over my table because I started working on it last night. Um, this plane um, is kind of important to me because the real one is about 2.5 hours south of me down in Dayton, down at Wright Pat Air Force Base, down at the National Museum of the Air Force. So I'm gonna do this as close to the real one as I can. Got the fuselage spray painted, and then I'm gonna start the interior painting. Trying to do everything as accurate to the real one as possible. Where the inside will be silver, except for the flight deck will be the bronze green, and then the Bombay will be neutral gray, and then the rest of the back of the plane will be aluminum silver, because those are the actual colors inside that plane. It wasn't zinc chromate green in there or anything like that. It was one of the earlier birds. So I got the flight deck fairly well started. Got the control yokes in there, and went ahead and painted up the bulkhead. A lot of this you're not going to see, but went ahead and did the fuse block. It's flat black. And then the seats, I got a finish detail on them, but the cushions inside the real Memphis Belle are yellow. They're like they're almost like a flotation seat, I think is what they were. Then the instrument panel, which I'm gonna do the gauges, shiny black, gloss black. Got the Bombardier's area, which are, again, is all wood. Got the Northern bomb sight. Got the navigator, or the Bombardier seat. Got to do a seat belts on it yet, but got some different stuff going. But got the all the olive drab stuff spray painted, and just got to start with all the other fun stuff. But anyway, guys, just wanted to give you a detail, a video on what I've got going with this, and hoping to get done here next couple of days and get it hung up. But definitely a fun model. Also got the decals. Hopefully the decals are in good shape. They look to be. Hopefully they don't give me any problems like the Lindbergh model did. But the only thing that is off that I see with these decals is one of the wheel covers. Both of these are red with the blue stars, and one of them should be blue with the red stars. But oh well, what do you do? But yeah, anyway, like I said, I'm gonna get going on it and get her painted up, exactly like the real one. And after 25th mission, I'm gonna have the scratches and paint chipped and things like that on it, like it would after 25 missions. I'm gonna do some weathering on it. So anyway, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like and comment, and we'll get an update to you here before too long, and go from there. Oh, the funny thing is, this thing is a rare kit. You know, an older kit. Well, I'm thinking, okay, well, you know, it's an old kit and everything. Well, funny thing is it looks like Monogram Revell is reintroducing it because I seen on one of the websites the other night the 148 scale Memphis Belle, and it had totally different box art and everything like that. So evidently they reintroduced this kit. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and stay safe. And if you're out here where I'm at in Ohio and areas like that, stay warm. Thanks, guys.